Okay, block 4, very similar to block 3, but this time we're not going to connect the sticky out bit to the corner. It's lined up to the bottom, but it's not. It's actually 10mm in from either edge. So, as before, let's create a new part. We're going to rename that block 4, and we're going to draw ourselves a sketch. Same as before, this one is going to be 60 by 50. So by now you should be getting the hang of how you're going to spin your view, where you're going to draw your sketch, how you're going to put the sizes in. And we're going to extrude that shape there by 20. Now this time our sticking out part is going to be on this face again, so we're going to draw a sketch on this face. But this time, although it's lined up at the bottom, it's not connected to an edge here, it's floating somewhere in the middle. And if we double check, we can see it's actually 10mm in from either side. So sketch, again we've got to draw our profile. Where do we draw it? We're going to draw it on this face here. And let's change our view so we can see that straight. Now this time we'll get our corner rectangle and we want to connect it to the bottom edge, but it's not connected to the corner or to this edge here. So it's going to be 40 and it's going to be 20. If I'm just going to right click, escape the rectangle, I get my pointy tool. You can see now this shape here, unlike before it was all black, we've got two blue lines, and what that's telling us is that the sketch isn't completely locked, and that's because we can still slide it sideways. So the bottom edge is lined up, it's got a width and it's got a height, but we don't know where it should be kind of left to right. So we need to add another dimension, which is with this tool here, the dimension tool. And we want to put a size that is between this edge and this edge here. So what I do is I click on the first edge, and then I click on the second edge. I want a dimension between those two, and then the dimension appears. So I can move it away here. If I click a third time, I get the option to edit the number, and I can put that to 10. Okay, I'm going to right click and escape the dimension. So again, if I wanted to change any of these sizes, I can double click on them, and they will obviously update depending on what I've done. I want those to be 20 and 10. So everything we do is editable, remember. Happy with that, we can click tick the sketch, finish the sketch, and this time we're going to extrude this part here, not the outside but that part there, and it's coming 20mm. So I'm happy with that. There is block 4.